Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for June 16th to 30th. For June 16th to 20th, models remain in good agreement on the flow of this period as we see this trough developing in the west, and we have a ridge building across the east. Models have backed off, bringing a strong ridge here, but it's a ridge though. It's going to be fairly strong, 588 DM. This is how we're expecting the pattern to look like, and within this flow, there'll be a system lifting northeastward into the northern plains, and also energy moving across the northern states. That'll bring rain and storms. We'll look at that at the surface. Okay, we see our one system lifting northeastward into the plains. And we have additional energy moving west, and you can see here with the GFS is bringing snow with these hot temperatures in the east, snow in the higher elevations, and we have this ridge here. You can see this will pump up temperatures across the region. So you can see how active it means across the north. That'll be rain and storms across the area, and the upper level energy that's been over Florida will retrograde. You can see retrograding into the Gulf of Mexico this weekend. This will bring precipitation to the central and western Gulf Coast states. Okay, and in general, we're still watching the area of disturbed weather. We'll back it up a little bit. Off the southeast coast, and models have it lifting out. Doesn't really develop. That's the GFS, a European. Develops a system, not very strong, and that lifts it out, and so does the ensembles. Maybe slightly stronger, but it still lifts it out to the northeast. So that's how it looks right now. Still monitor another area down in the Gulf of, the southwest Gulf of Mexico for a possible development later in the week. Okay, we're going to look at the period for June 21st to the 25th. And the flow stays generally the same. Trough, ridge configuration. Okay, above normal heights. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for above normal. Oh, it worked this time. Above normal temperatures for much of the country, and expected anomalies to be about 8 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is near 35%. Below normal precipitation forecast here. Probability of occurrence is near 35%. And we're going to look at the period now for June 26th to the 30th. And you can see the flow flattens. Still has a weak trough here in the west. Some indication of a trough here in the east. But overall, this is what we're expecting with the ensemble show, with above normal heights across much of North America. So for this forecast period, calling for a little change in temperature anomalies, and for precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here. Probability of occurrence is 35 to 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for June 16th to 30th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.